Hello students, I'm going to discuss the quick solutions of All India AIATS Test Series Medical 2019 of test number 3, code E and F of Botany section. Your test will be held on 23rd of December 2018. I'm dealing with the Botany section, and the very first question in the Botany section is question number 91. So let's start with the question number 91. At least 50% of the total CO2 fixation through photosynthesis on Earth is carried out by: first option, angiosperms; second, gymnosperms; third, bryophytes; fourth, algae. This is very easy question from your NCERT, that out of total CO2 fixation through photosynthesis on Earth, 50% of that CO2 fixation is carried out by algae. So the correct option for the given question is option number 4. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 92. Which one of the following statements is wrong? First option, commercial product agar-agar is obtained from red algae Gelidium and Gracilaria. Second, gymnosperms are both homosporous and heterosporous. Third, laminaria and sargassum are used as food. Fourth, pyrenoids contain proteins besides starch. You have to find out that which statement is incorrect or wrong out of these 4 statements. So first, commercial product agar is obtained from red algae Gelidium and Gracilaria. This is very correct statement, as agar-agar is a hydrocolloid. It's a hydrocolloid. It is obtained from the cell wall of the red algae such as Gelidium and Gracilaria. This agar-agar is used in the preparations of ice creams and jellies and to grow microbes in laboratories. So this is correct. Second statement, gymnosperms are both homosporous and heterosporous. No, this statement is incorrect. Gymnosperms are not both homosporous and heterosporous. All gymnosperms are heterosporous, not homosporous. The main body in the gymnosperms is a sporophyte. All gymnosperms produce 2 different types of spores, hence they are heterosporous. So this statement is incorrect. Option 3, laminaria and sargassum are used as food. This is also true, that laminaria and sargassum are used as food. Both are brown algae and they are widely used as food. Fourth option, pyrenoids contain protein besides starch. This is also correct. Pyrenoids are the structures which are present in the chloroplast of the green algae and they contain protein besides starch. So this is also correct. So the incorrect statement is second. So the correct option for the given question is option number 2. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 93. Steel is: first option, all tissues on the inner side of the endodermis. Second, all tissue layers outside the vascular cambium. Third, a region which includes pericycle, vascular bundles and pith if present. Fourth, both 1 and 3. What is a steel? If you cut the section of a stem, you will see that it has epidermis, cortex, pericycle, vascular bundles and pith if there is. So in the center it is pith, then you will find vascular bundles and then pericycle, and these 3 structures collectively form steel. So a region which includes pericycle, vascular bundles and pith if present, yes, it is steel. All tissues layers outside the vascular cambium. No, outside the vascular cambium the tissues form bark, not the steel. First, all tissues on the inner side of the endodermis. Yes, the tissues, pith, vascular bundles and pericycle, they are present inner side of the endodermis. So they also constitute steel. So this is correct. So both 1 and 3 are correct. So the correct option for the given question is option number 4. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 94. Subsidiary cells differ from guard cells in: first option, being parenchymatous. Second, lacking mitochondria. Third, lacking of chloroplasts. Fourth, lacking vacuole. In this question, you have to tell that how subsidiary cells differ from the guard cells. First is being parenchymatous. You can see here clearly these are the diagrammatic representations of the stomata in dicots and in monocots. This is the stomata with the bean-shaped guard cells. These are the bean-shaped or the kidney-shaped guard cells in the dicots. And here, these are the dumbbell-shaped guard cells in monocots. The guard cells are surrounded by these subsidiary cells. Here you can see in monocots, these are the two subsidiary cells. And here in dicots also you can see these green colored subsidiary cells. So you have to tell that how these subsidiary cells are different from the guard cells. So first is being parenchymatous in nature. No, these subsidiary cells and the guard cells, the subsidiary cells and the guard cells both are parenchymatous in nature. So this option is ruled out. Second, subsidiary cells lack mitochondria. No, this is not the correct option. Third, lacking of chloroplast. Clearly you can see here that these are the guard cells and these guard cells contain chloroplast. So they contain chloroplast, but these subsidiary cells, they do not have chloroplasts. So in lacking chloroplast, yes, it is correct. Fourth, lacking vacuole. No, this option is ruled out. So the correct option for the given question is option number 3. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 95. Tylosis. First option are balloon-like swelling of xylem parenchyma cells in the lumen of vessels. Second are found in heartwood. Third, make heartwood functional. Fourth, both 1 and 2. What are tyloses? In this figure, you can clearly see that these are the xylem parenchyma cells. Xylem is complex permanent tissue. It has 4 components: vessels, tracheids, xylem fibers, and the xylem parenchyma. Clearly, you can see here these are the xylem parenchyma. These are living cells. They form their outgrowths in the xylem vessels. Here you can see it is a vessel, and these are the cells which are xylem parenchyma cells. The outgrowth of the xylem parenchyma cells in the lumen of the vessels form the tyloses. So these are the tyloses. So this option is correct, that they are balloon-like swellings of the xylem parenchyma in the lumen of vessels. They are found in heartwood. This is also correct, that they are found in the heartwood. Heartwood is the central region of the secondary xylem. It is dead region of the secondary xylem. They make heartwood functional? No. They make the heartwood non-functional, not the functional. So they do not make heartwood functional, and hence heartwood cannot conduct water. So this option is ruled out. So both 1 and 2 are correct. So the correct option for the given question is option number 4. Let's move on to the next question.